So Schaewe here, and this is your first time to my channel. Like and subscribe. I give daily tips to affiliates on marketing. Today, I'm going to be talking about the powered lead system. As a gold member, you can be an affiliate. Yes, residual income and no pass-ups. In the powered lead system, let's say you built a team, you make 50% off of your team. You can give away a free system. You can attach your business to the powered lead system and capture leads. It's an autoresponder. In other words, you're capturing the leads for your business, and you're also doing a front-end proposal for your business. In other words, you're building up income for if you will need to pay for your tools, your traffic, while you're waiting for the other system to pay for you. This pays weekly. As a gold affiliate, you only pay like $53.97 a month, and you make residual off of everybody that you get on your team. Put in 10 members, that's $200 a month. And whatever they make in sales, you make 50% off of their sales. So let's say one person makes $1,000 that month, and she's a part of your team, you make $500. And you have 10 people, it just depends on what they made a month. But there's free ad secrets. That's $147. You pay one time. It's a business tool. It teaches you all kinds of secrets on marketing courses. In other words, you're making $100 commission off of everybody that buys into it. And let's say you didn't buy into it, it goes up to the next person, your sponsor. If they